How to find stories settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find stories settings on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now here you will find the stories settings. Click on it, and as you see now you can manage story privacy or sharing options or story archive or anything you want, archive anything you want, and then just that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.